Here's a comprehensive overview of the 2025 Toyota GR Corolla, presented in paragraph form. The 2025 Toyota GR Corolla continues to embody the spirit of accessible, everyday performance that ignited excitement when the GR brand first brought its hot hatch to market. Building upon the already formidable foundation of its predecessor, the latest iteration refines the formula without sacrificing the raw, engaging character that made it an instant enthusiast favorite. While retaining the core elements that define the GR Corolla experience, the potent turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, the sophisticated GR-4 all-wheel drive system, and the focused driver-centric cockpit, the 2025 model year introduces subtle yet meaningful enhancements aimed at sharpening its edge and broadening its appeal. Toyota has listened to feedback, resulting in tweaks that improve usability and driving dynamics, ensuring the GR Corolla remains a compelling alternative in a segment populated by established icons. Visually, the 2025 GR Corolla maintains its aggressive stance, defined by wide fenders, functional vents, and a purposeful aerodynamic kit. The signature triple exhaust outlets remain a bold statement at the rear. New for this year is the availability of the striking, heavy metal paint color, adding a fresh option to the palette. More significant changes lie beneath the skin. Engineers have focused on enhancing the chassis rigidity and suspension tuning. Revised spring rates and shock absorber damping profiles aim to strike an even better balance between the track-ready precision demanded by hardcore drivers and the day-to-day compliance necessary for a car intended to be driven regularly. The goal is improved body control during spirited driving while potentially reducing harshness over rough pavement, making those longer journeys or daily commutes less fatiguing without dulling the car's sharp reflexes. The heart of the GR Corolla, the G16E GTS 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, continues to deliver its unique blend of character and power. Output remains a robust 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque in the core and premium grades. This compact powerhouse, with its distinctive exhaust note and eager response, is a key part of the car's identity. Buyers can still choose between the engaging, precise 6-speed intelligent manual transmission (IMT) with rev matching or the recently introduced 8-speed GR direct automatic transmission, which surprised many with its rapid shifts and ability to harness the engine's power effectively. The genius of the GR-4 all-wheel drive system persists, offering drivers the ability to tailor power distribution between the front and rear axles via the drive mode select knob, shifting from 60/40 for everyday efficiency, through 50/50 for balanced performance, to a track-focused 30/70 rear bias for a more playful, rear-driven feel. This adaptability remains a core strength, making the GR Corolla incredibly versatile across different driving conditions and styles. Inside the cabin, the focus remains firmly on the driver. The heavily bolstered ultrasuede trimmed sport seats provide excellent support during hard cornering. The 2025 model benefits from refinements aimed at improving the overall ownership experience. While the infotainment system retains its core functionality, subtle software updates and potential material tweaks enhance the tactile feel and usability. Crucially, Toyota has addressed one common piece of feedback. The rear seatbacks are now split folding as standard across all grades. This seemingly small change significantly improves practicality, making it much easier to carry longer items or accommodate a mix of passengers and cargo, a welcome enhancement for a car that often serves dual duty as a weekend toy and a weekday commuter. The driving position remains excellent, placing controls within easy reach and offering a clear view of the essential gauges. On the road, and especially on a twisting back road or track, the 2025 GR Corolla's mission is clear: deliver exhilarating, connected driving thrills. The combination of the punchy, characterful engine, the driver-focused manual or surprisingly competent automatic transmission, the incredibly adjustable GR-4 system, and the now even more finely tuned suspension creates an experience that feels both potent and playful. It communicates through the steering wheel and seat, encouraging confident inputs. While it possesses serious performance credentials, it retains a level of mechanical feedback and engagement that feels increasingly rare, offering a more analog experience compared to some competitors. The enhancements for 2025 refine this experience rather than reinvent it, smoothing out minor rough edges while preserving the exhilarating, turbocharged all-wheel drive essence that makes the GR Corolla such a compelling proposition for those seeking genuine performance wrapped in a surprisingly practical and unmistakably aggressive hot hatch package. It continues to be a testament to Toyota Gazoo Racing's commitment to building exciting drivers' cars for the real world.